Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to use fast user switching to switch between user accounts in Windows 10. This is very convenient as people are able to sign into their accounts on Windows without signing you out and closing out different files and programs you may have open on your computer. So this tutorial will show you how to switch between accounts. So I'm going to head over to our start menu here. I am the computer account, so that means that is the current user account that I'm under here. So if I left click on that, I can actually see that I have a secondary account listed right here. I have named the account Joe, so let's just say Joe is the account that I want to switch into. So I'm going to left click on Joe. And we can see there's a sign in option. I did not set a password for Joe, so it's not going to ask me for a password. But if we change our mind, we can go switch between the two accounts right down here. If I left click on sign in under Joe, it'll start signing me into Joe's account. And then I can do vice versa back and forth. So just keep in mind, if you have a password linked to your account, you're going to have to insert a password. So it's pretty straightforward here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief tutorial, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.